So today we're taking an in-depth look at the Alpha JX. So we're starting with the basic rear function here. You see as it pulls out the nozzle and sprays, you can change, pushing it further out and adjusting. So the Alpha JX also has the soft feminine spray setting, very popular with the ladies, I understand. And you can also go for the high pressure setting if you need that. It also comes with an oscillating spray setting, which is nice. We're now moving to the performance test, and remember this is Nutella and nothing else that we're using. And we can see how the spray starts to remove it right away. Switching to a bit of oscillating move right here. And also adjusting the nozzle a bit just to get that extra cleansing. Skipping ahead to 1.5 minutes, we can see that this is much cleaner. So 1.5 minutes in, we're finished. You can compare the before and after right here.